All right, nerds, listen up. In this video, we're going to go over how to install a quick clip and tough clips on your BAPX. Now, this also is the same for a monoblock or discrete carry clips. Same concept, just different clip. So say you already have the monoblock on your holster and you wanted to increase the belt size. You got a new belt. So you're going to just take your screwdriver, remove the current clip. Make sure you keep your hardware safe. Don't lose it. You might want to go back. It's easier to put your finger behind on the post to keep it still because it will rotate if you do not hold it down. You can also do that with a flathead screwdriver. Remove your posts. Now you can use the same hardware for the clip. Quick clip. We do recommend putting a mild Loctite on your screws. We do not apply that when you buy the hardware separately. You will need to get that. And done. So now you've increased your belt size with a quick clip. Now, if you want tuckable clips like the tough clip over there or discrete carry clip, say you order those separately, you'll get the appropriate hardware to install these, so don't worry about that. Tough clips. For these, you'll get 2 small posts. Insert like so. Tough clip and screw. Very simple, very easy. Now you can do this as just a single clip or dual clip. Obviously dual clip is going to be very secure. And with these tough clips, it's also tuckable. So you could tuck your shirt in behind the clips if you don't want your holster to show. Very simple process. Takes probably less than a minute. And you'll have a whole new setup here. Line them up. Tighten it down properly, nice and tight, not too tight. Boom. Dual setup. Now, like I said, you could tuck your shirt in behind that because they do lift out from the holster. And now you have a dual clip setup. And that's how to install a quick clip, monoblock, or tough clip or discrete carry clip onto your BAPX. Watch the next video.